Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Yahoo Finance. To sign up for Yahoo Finance, the first thing you'll need is the Yahoo Finance application installed on your device. Launch open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Yahoo Finance in the search box. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. Now, if you don't have a Yahoo account, simply tap on Get Started at the bottom. Turn on the notification option by tapping on Get Notifications. You can also choose the alert you'd like to include in your notification setting and then tap on Get Notification. If you don't want to receive notifications yet, tap on I'll do it later. Now you'll end up in the main homepage for Yahoo Finance. Tap on the account button at the bottom right corner and go all the way down at the end and accept to the terms and conditions. And then inside the account tab, tap on Login/Sign Up. Now you can go ahead and select your existing Yahoo account if you already have one. If you don't have a Yahoo account, you will need to go ahead and create one. Click on Create Account option while you get to the yahoo.com webpage and then enter your full name. Once you do that, go to the next field and create a Yahoo email address. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in a secure password. Enter a date of birth for yourself on the next field, and once you are done with it, tap on Continue. You can also add a recovery mobile number on the next page. Enter a phone number you have an access to and then tap on Get Code on WhatsApp. Soon after you complete through the registration and verify your phone number, you will then be able to create a new account for Yahoo. You will now be able to see yourself logged in, and there you have your Yahoo Finance account signed up. Now once you have a Yahoo Finance account, you will be able to access a variety of features to help you track the financial markets and manage your investments. You will receive real-time code charts, personalized watch lists, financial news and analysis from your account. That is how you can access your Yahoo Finance account and create a new one to get started with it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.